that bird from, you can't find it from the thing. Wait, I gotta show it to you. I have blue signal here.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That bird, see it? Wait.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That bird, you guys see it? I'm gonna show it to you. My uncle have a lot of them. So yeah, you want to see it? Let's just see it. Wait, I'll be... Wait. Okay, here. Here is the picture. You guys see it? He just got exposed. My uncle have a lot. See? Whoa. Look. What the? Look, I have a lot. My uncle have a lot of them. Okay, so we're in the farm again. It's noisy. Look, my uncle have a lot. Chicken. Look, so he got exposed. So bye.